ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति षोडश अभ्यास। षोडशाकलपुरुषवत् षोडश अभ्यास। अस्माकं कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति? अस्माकम् इति शब्दः अस्माकम् इति शब्दः कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति? पेज 77 सप्तसप्ततिः षष्ठी बहुवचनं मम आवयोः अस्माकम् our subject अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति। Today we'll end quickly, I think, as it seems very simple, but we will see how long it takes. शब्दाः पितृ पिता, भ्रातृ भाई, जामातृ दामाद, दामाद is son-in-law, जवाई दामाद son-in-law। धर्मः धर्म, प्रातः काल, मध्याह्नः दोपहर, सायंकालः, दिनं दिन, वस्त्रं वस्त्र, these are all simple। दह to jalana and jwal jalna, so to burn something down is daha। agnihi, they give an example, agnihi griham dahati, fire has burnt the house down, and if you are lighting a diya or something inside the house, it is jalna, so agnihi grihe jwalati, they have given that only, grihe jwalati, it is lit in the house। gai, gana, to sing, a plus heve, here a is called upasarga, a upasarga purvak hve dhatu, the dhatu is hve here, hvayati, but when you want to call, the dhatu is not complete without the upasarga, like for example Upanishad shabda has got upasarga, ni upasarga, ni sat dhatu, this is made Upanishad shabda, like that there upa and ni are upasarga, here a is a plus ve, it is pukarna, bulana, to call, and then again one more upasarga is here, abhi upasarga purvaka lash dhatu, abhilashati, chahna, to want something। kritaha, kiya, past tense, gataha gaya, agataha aya, they have gone, he has done, etc। prataha, sayam, nakta, so the difference is prataha and sayam are avyaya shabdas, they are not sanya, they are not nouns, they are like adverbs, avyaya, kriya visheshan shabdas। prataha kala is the noun, so for example if you want to say in the morning, we don't say prate, pratah kale, because avyaya shabda will not have shabda rupa like how sanya shabdas have, declinations are not in avyaya। vyakaran, pitru saptami vibhakti, is all page 32 if anyone is wondering। पितृ शब्द के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो, आई विल ओनली रीड दिस। मातृ और जामातृ के रूप पितृ के तुल्य चलेंगे, सो आई रीड क्विकली पितृ, बट एज यूजुअल आई सजेस्ट दैट वंस यू हैव सम फ्री टाइम जस्ट से इट आउट लाउड and read it out, and if you can write, that is great, this will help on this। पिता पितरौ पितरः, पितरं पितरौ पितॄन्, पित्रा पितृभ्यां पितृभिः, पित्रे पितृभ्यां पितृभ्यः, पितुः पितृभ्यां पितृभ्यः, पितुः पित्रोः पितॄणां, पितरि पित्रोः पितृषु, हे पितः हे पितरौ हे पितरः। So there are a few things we have to see. I'm reading page 64, page number 64, number 4, left number 2, and the left it is the fifth one. Sorry, they have given wrong number here. The fifth one, page 64. You have found? If you have not found, I will wait.
Yes,
Okay.
found.
Aditi also found?
I did.
Okay. So, there are 2 points here. One, it is very similar to karta. So, why have separate shabda? Almost everything is the same except Dvitiya Dvivachana Kartarau. Here it is only Pitarau. Pitarau. Kartaram, Pitaram. So, Dvitiya Ekavachana, Bahuvachana are different. Some others, Prathama Dvivachana is also different. Some shabdas are different. And one more thing, like Kartuhu, Pituhu. Panchami Ekavachana, Shashti Ekavachana, Ubayoho, Samatvam Staha, Ubayoho Staha, Ekaha Saha, Staha. Both are the same. Pituhu, Pituhu. So you have to see the context. See the sentence when it means something. We'll see examples actually afterwards. Now back to page 32. देहा आदि के रूप भू के तुल्य चलेंगे, जैसे दहति, ज्वलति, गायति, आह्वयति, अभिलषति, etc. All in like bhavati, pathati, kridati. Same way, dahati, etc. is going to happen. Niyama, I'll quickly read it, is very simple. फर्स्ट नियम अधिकरण कारक में सप्तमी होती है. लाइक विद्यालय में पढ़ता है, स्टडीज इन विद्यालय. गृहे अग्नि जलति, ज्वलति. अग्नि इज लिट इन द हाउस. गृहे मनुष्य अस्ति, पर्सन इज सिटिंग इन द हाउस. इन द हाउस, नॉट सिटिंग. इफ इट इज सिटिंग इट विल बी तिष्ठति.
और स्टैंडिंग.
हाँ, और स्टैंडिंग. तिष्ठति वुड आल्सो मीन स्टे. वासति इज लिविंग, स्टेइंग वुड बी आल्सो तिष्ठति. गृहे वस्त्राणि सन्ति, नगरे मनुष्याः सन्ति. ऑल दिस. बहुवचन प्रयोग, एकवचन प्रयोग, द्विवचन, व्हाटएवर. सप्तमी विभक्ति हैज दैट अधिकरण लोकेशन. देखो नियम 40 आल्सो. नियम 40 इज इन पेज 28. नियम और से बहुतों में से एक को छांटने के अर्थ में, जिससे छांटा जाए उसमें षष्ठी और सप्तमी दोनों होते हैं. So, for example, they are given Chhatranam Chhatreshu Va. So, Chhatranam Ramah Shrestha. This is Shashti. Chhatreshu Ramah Shrestha Saptami. Both are acceptable forms. Page 32 again. Niyam 47. सप्तचत्वारिंशत्. विषय में, बारे में, अर्थ में तथा समय बोधक शब्दों में सप्तमी होती है. जैसे मोक्ष के बारे में. इफ आई वांट इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ मोक्ष, रिगार्डिंग मोक्ष, these kinds of translations also saptami, because while the first niyama talks about a physical location, these are all intellectual locations or so. So in these contextual locations as well, saptami only works. Mokshe ichha asti, dharme abhilasha asti, is interested in dharma. He likes his ichha is in dharma. Saha pratah kale pratah va agacchati. Pratah agacchati you can say, or pratah kale agacchati. स मध्याह्ने सायंकाले सायं वा कार्यं करोति. सूचना. प्रातः सायं नक्तम के रूप नहीं चलते हैं, ये अव्यय है. दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन. दीस अव्यय शब्दस विल नॉट हैव रूप. शब्द रूप एंड ऑल विल गो ओनली फॉर प्रातः काल एटसेट्रा. सायंकाल, प्रातः काले, लाइक दैट. एक नियम 48. एक क्रिया के बाद दूसरी क्रिया होने पर पहली क्रिया में सप्तमी होती है. कर्तृवाच्य में कर्ता और कृदंत में सप्तमी होती है, होगी. कर्मवाच्य में कर्म और कृदंत में सप्तमी होगी तथा कर्ता में तृतीया. यस, सो वी सी द एग्जांपल इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी सिंपल. यू सी द एग्जांपल. राम के वन जाने पर भरत आए. सो रामे वनं गते भरतः आगतः. दिस इज कर्तृवाच्य. व्हाई? बिकॉज द सब्जेक्ट, मेन टॉपिक हियर इज द कर्ता राम. रामे वनं गते भरतः आगतः. देन दे आर गिवन मया कार्ये कृते गुरुः आगतः. रामे आगते सीता अपि आगतः. सो हियर कर्म takes precedence. Maya karye krite. I am doing some specific karma. So there also, what they are trying to say is whether it is a karta driven vakya or a karma driven vakya, when there is something that has already happened and you want to say after that something is happening, it will be saptami. First Rama has gone to Vana. Rame Vanam gate. Having gone to Vana, Bharata agataha. Bharata is coming. Athava Maya karye krite. Guru agataha. Athava Rame agate. Sita api agata. After Rama went, Sita also went. So whether it is the karta or the karma, when there is the action and then something is following, a second action is following, saptami only. Yeah, okay. We will see examples. When there is examples, when the examples will become clearer. उदाहरण वाक्य अहम पठामि. गृहे बालकाः सन्ति. घर में बालके हैं. बहुवचन. मम पठने अभिलाषः अस्ति. I am interested in studying. प्रातःकाले सायंकाले च ईश्वरं नमत. नमत बहुवचन. मध्यम पुरुष बहुवचन. Of which lakara? Namata. Namata. Which lakara?
Present.
Namata. Do namaskar. Which lakara?
Present. Lot lakara.
Lot lakara. Prata kale sayankale cha Ishwaram namata. Do namaskara to Ishwara. Dharme abhilashan kuru. Which lakara? Dharme abhilashan kuru.
Same. Lot lakara.
Bahu samyak. Samichinam. Same. Lot lakara. Do have ichha in dharma. Like how Bhagavan says, Tad kurushvam adarpanam. Tad kurushva madarpanam. Yet karoshi yadashnasi yajjohosi dadasi yat. Yet tapasyasi kaunteya. Tad kurushvam adarpanam. Or for many times he says kuru yudhyacha. Tasmat yudhyacha. He says tasmad yudhya. Do you fight because of that? Yudhyasva there also. Here Yudhya, yeah, he says, right, in 8th chapter. Yudhyasva that comes earlier in 4th and 5th chapters. In 9th chapter there is one part, he said you do this. Specific direct instruction, lot. So in those kinds of words you have to understand it is lot lakara. Adhyayane krite bhojanam kuru. Lot lakara. Agnihi griham dahati. We already saw. Fire is burning down the house. Agnihi grihe jwalati. In the house it is lit. Shantihi ganam gayati. Shanti is a person here. Shanti is singing a song. Shanti sings a song. Pita putram ahvayati. Father is calling son. Shishyaha vidyam abhilashati. Student likes studies. Vidya. Naktam adhikam na patha. Naktam, रात में, तो रात्रे, ratri shabda will go, ratri, we have not seen that yet, so we can just say sayankale or nakte. They have given naktam, because naktam is avyaya shabda. So naktam, adhikam na patha. Ratri kale, you can say. Ratri kale is okay. Sayankale.
Nisha and Ratri, both words.
Nisha is Strilinga. Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Nisha. So you can use Saptami, any of those words, but easy, very simple, straightforward thing that even in Bhashya and all sometimes it will come. Ratri Kale, Sayam Kale, Ritu Kale, Ritu Iti Kale. In that season, in that time, they will just put Kala and Saptami. संस्कृत बनाओ. राम विद्यालय में पढ़ता है. हरि जी भवान वदतु. राम विद्यालय में पढ़ता है. राम is studying in school.
रामः विद्यालये पठति.
बहु सम्यक. संध्या जी वदतु. इस कक्षा में 20 बालक हैं. It's difficult. You do the next one, then this one will become easy. घर में वस्त्र और पुस्तकें हैं. संध्या जी.
गृहे.
हाँ, गृहे.
वस्त्राणि पुस्तकानि सन्ति.
बहु अति सम्यक. गृहे वस्त्राणि पुस्तकानि सन्ति.
क्या सन्ति, no?
हाँ, च संति पुस्तक करेक्ट यस करेक्ट और लिखा है ना वस्त्र और पुस्तकें च संति बट यू नो वी डू से च इज रिक्वायर्ड there are certain parts in Bhashya Tika where they will not use cha. We just have to assume if there are multiple things, cha is the grammatically correct sentence, but it is not completely necessary. Like that saha patati. Saha patati is the grammatically, right? Sometimes they will just skip saha because patati means it is only the third person.
So when Swamiji uses the word arsha prayoga, what does that mean?
Arsha prayoga. That will come in Rachananuvada Kaumudi.
Is it colloquial?
Yeah, you can say that. Like it is like the commonly used kind of prayoga.
Okay.
Like that will come. But we will have this topic will come in the next in the more advanced book. It will come a lot. We will try to translate into this prayoga and so on as required. So घर में वस्त्र और पुस्तक हैं. This second one, इस कक्षा में 10 बालक हैं. कक्षा will be सप्तमी. हाँ? इससे
इत्र
is no, you will have to use etat shabda. So you will be saying etasyam kakshayam. Kakshayam is saptami in kaksha, like nishayam like that. Kakshayam in kaksha, because kakshayam has come with is, you will have to say etasyam kakshayam dashama balakaha
balake santi
balakaha santi. सुंदर जी वाले तो भगवान गांव में मनुष्य रहते हैं.
ग्राम में मनुष्याः सन्ति.
सम्यक. वसंती रहते हैं
तो
वसंती अथवा निवसंती अथवा
रहते हैं.
संति
हैं निवासंति.
you can say, or you can say vasanti is the simple one.
Vasanti is simple. Okay.
But nivasanti is more beautiful. Vasanti is some local language. मेरी धर्म के विषय में इच्छा है. आई कैन ट्रांसलेट दिस. मेरी धर्म के विषय में. सो धर्म के विषय में इस सप्तमी. सो मम मेरी मम धर्म विषये इच्छा अस्ति अथवा धर्मे इच्छा अस्ति. यू कैन से ईदर.
I got a little confused. Is it Mahyam or Mama?
My interest. For me interest nahi na. The interest is not there for me. I have the interest. It is for of me.
It's of me. I have the interest.
It's a bit confusing when we translate to English, but in Sanskrit it is mama only. Mahyam effectively is used when you are the beneficiary of something. Often you are not a beneficiary of an interest, right? You are the holder of an interest. So Shashti Bhakti only. पढ़ाई के विषय में अभिलाषा करो. सो पठने अभिलाषा you can say, or abhilasham kuru is the easy way, but you can say abhilasha would also be effectively correct. Patane abhilasha, but it is a little confusing. So abhilasham kuru is a better way. Okay. हरि जी वदतु भवान्. प्रातः काले और सायंकाल गुरु को प्रणाम करो. प्रातः काल और सायंकाल.
प्रातः काले वा सायंकाले च गुरु I can say gurun or gurun. Second karma.
Guru.
The beneficiary is fourth, gurun. Gurun pranam.
No, not pranam. You can say nama.
Namati.
Nama.
Okay.
Or you can say, if you nama is, it is correct, but it is ugly. So namaskaram kuru.
Namaskaram Guru. Okay.
That is okay.
Namaskaram Guru.
But nama is also correct if you want to say that.
But here it's not okay to say Guru who, Guru ko. So that's again.
That would be Dvitiya, but Guru ko, we saw this right in Chaturthi Vibhakti when the Abhyasa came, they had said if you want to do Namaskara to somebody, use the Chaturthi Vibhakti. Some niyama had come, if I'm not wrong. They had suggested to use Chaturthi. So Chaturthi is correct. Sandhyaji bhavati vadatu kuttara santi vayam navama din mein padho.
दिनम
दिन में
पठे दिनम
दिने
to change it to any vibhakti.
हाँ सप्तमी दिन में see if you see में right दिन
दिनमेस्य
no दिन दिने
okay दिने पठित
पाठा
पठा okay.
लोट लकार दिन में पढ़ो instruction लोट there is one correction this pranam karo Hariji was correct I is wrong this in the niyama they said use dvitiya not chaturthi even though you are doing namaskara to guru and so 2 is coming but you use dvitiya so gurum that is what he said that is correct guru then so din mein padho dine patha you just study during the day instead of so lot lakara madhyama purusha ekvachana सुंदर जी वदतु भवान् रात्रि में अधिक न पढ़ो और न लिखो
नक्ते अधिकम न पठ
नक्तम is अव्यय शब्द it does not decline
so नक्तम अधिकम न पठ न लिख च
अधिकम न पठ न लिख च सम्यक् बहु समीचीनम् okay the next ones are the same मेरे घर आने पर I can do this because it's a little confusing but if anyone wants to try you can try the next one मेरे घर आने पर you want to try सुंदर जी
okay I'll try
मेरे घर आने पर
I wrote here as my but maybe
okay wait I'll say that
mama
my should be correct my should be correct
so I written here my graham agate Krishna api agatah
कृष्णः अपि आगतः मयि गृहम् आगते कृष्णः अपि आगतः मयि गृहम् आगते कृष्णः अपि आगतः हरि जी युधिष्ठिर के वन जाने पर अर्जुन भी वन गए
जाने पर युधिष्ठिर और अर्जुन जाने पर
जाने पर
युधिष्ठिर के इस युधिष्ठिरे now the question I'm not very sure whether I should say svane or vanam gade
vanam gate
but somewhere we use ram vane or something like that.
Yes, we do use vane but vane is in the forest, right? He has gone to the forest.
Okay, so Yudhishthire vanam gate Arjuna yesterday we studied something like Gatavan or Gata just Gataha okay.
Arjuna बाहु समीचीनं हरि जी अति सुन्दरम् अस्ति मधुरः अपि युधिष्ठिरे वनं गते अर्जुनः अपि गतः he is also going okay
but if we have to say vane gadaha then is it correct?
It won't be correct because vane that is see vanam gate is one prayoga it is a continuous phrase so vanam gate will go together vane gate does not really make grammatical sense having gone in the forest sometimes
because in the example the niyama something like rama something was come where we used the kriya itself like te with te.
Yes this there in this only in this the niyama 48 on this page 32 last 3 lines Rame vanam gate Bharatah agatah.
Okay.
Rame, like you said correctly only, Yudhishthire, Vanam Gate, Arjuna api Gataha. Like that.
Now what I got confused is Rame, that example that is there, Niyam 48, Maya Karyam Krite. The Kriya itself seems to be with that te
Saptami.
to suggest seventh case.
Yes.
Is it correct there?
Yes, here it is correct because Krita Shabda is used.
Okay.
Krita Shabda has declined as Krite in Saptami.
Okay.
Kriti, in different vibhaktis, it will decline in different ways. So in that Shabda, it will follow, I think they mentioned this, it will follow the Rama Shabda because it will be like Kritaha, Ramaha. So Rame, jaise Krite. So
Because there it is Rame Agade Sida Labi.
that is next one, next example. Ram Jane Se, after Ram went to the forest, Sita also followed. So Rame Agate, that is after Ram came to the, after Rama came, Sita also came. Rame Agate, he has come. So Agate, having Agate, like Vanam Gate, you know.
Okay.
Yudhishthire, Vanam Gate, right? Here they are not given Vanam. So what would you say without Vanam? Yudhishthire Gate. So Rama, Rame Agate.
Okay. Yudhishthire Gate, Arjuna Api Gadaha.
Gataha. So now we are saying he has gone to the forest. Let us say I am saying he has gone. I am not giving where. So you would say Yudhishthire Gate because we don't know where he has gone. So Griham Vanam Gate to the forest. Griham Gate to the house. Vidyalayam Gate to the school. But if he has just gone, you say Gate. Like how they are given Rame Agate. Rama has come. Where he has come, we don't know. That's not in this example. He has come, that's all. So after having come, Sita also comes. So Rame Agate, Sita api Agate. Agata. Agata. Because Sita is Strilinga Shabda. हरिजी बाने वदतु पिताजी आ रहे हैं बहु कुशलः पिताजी आ रहे हैं
पिताजी आ रहा है पिता आगच्छति
हाँ यू हैव टू से पिताजी आ रहे हैं यू कैन से पिता आगच्छति सम्यक पिता आगच्छति प्रथमा विभक्ति आगच्छति इट इज करेक्ट they are given rahe hai because for pitaji respect but it is only one person so it is agachati only. Sandhya ji pita ko dekho kim kasmin lakara asti pita ko dekho
लोट लकार
सम्यक पिता को कस्मिन् विभक्ति
पिता को I'm not sure.
Okay. Pita ko means pita is the object.
Pita. First, like Prathama Vibhakti.
Pita ko, so Prathama is subject. Matlab, if Rama is doing something, you will say Rama. But now I need to look at father. So father is the object. So in this case, it will be Dvitiya Vibhakti. Because Pitaram.
Sorry, Pitaram.
Always when somebody becomes an object, always Dvitiya. को अगर हिंदी में पढ़ रहे हैं तो को शब्द आया तो द्वितीया ही हो. और पितरम पश्य सम्यक समीचीनम पितरम पश्य लुक एट पिता. सुंदर जी बोले तो भगवान पिता के साथ पुत्र भी आया.
पित्रा सह पुत्रः आगतः.
पित्रा सह पुत्रः अपि आगतः. सम्यक. पिता को भोजन दो. दिस इज ऑल सिंपल. पितरम भोजनम यच्छ. पिता से विद्या पढ़ो. हाँ, नाउ दिस इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग बिट. हरि जी तो भगवान 17 पिता से विद्या पढ़ो.
पिता से is
from हाँ.
Yeah, so I'm just looking at the 1, 2, 3. From, that is the fifth case. Is the source of the okay. So Pitruhu. Pitruhu.
Pituhu. Why Pitruhu?
Piduhu. Sorry, Piduhu.
Pituhu.
Vidya is Pado is middling. So first.
Pado is Lord. But Vidya.
Pado is Lord. So once.
Okay, I have one question. Before we go into the specifics of this, I got one question. You say Pita se, you said Pituhu. Now you see the next one. Bhavaneva. Pashyatu. Pita ki. Kim bhavati?
Pita ki, that is the object belongs to him. So it is the sixth.
Okay. So, which shabda?
The word is, one second, Piduhu, same.
Same. This is the importance of context.
Yeah, okay.
Pita se vidya pado will be Pituhu vidyam patha. Vidyam object. Pita ki yeh hai pustak hai, Pituhu etat pustakam asti. But you cannot say from Pita came this pustakam. That does not make any sense.
Vidya is that like Rama Shabda.
Correct. Akaranta Strilinga. Rama, Lata, Vidya, Kaksha, Nisha, everything will follow the same.
So the second, it will be
Dvitiya
Karmakarana. Karmakarana.
Correct. Dvitiya ekavachana. Vidyam.
Yeah.
So both are Pitu. So we have to see how it the context as well, and then make a decision. So all the others are simple. It will follow the same way. So bhai ko bulao bhratram, because it is dvitiya. Bhratram ahvaya. Like anaya. And this Javai ko phaldo will be Jamataram, Phalam Yacha. So all these are quite simple. आग वस्त्रों और वृक्षों को जलाती है. It's also very simple, actually long but simple. Agni, Vastram, Vriksham cha. Or since it is बहुवचन प्रयोग वस्त्राणि वृक्षाणि च ज्वलति दहति. Why dahati? Dahati, Agni hi dahati na. How much ever it does, Agni is only one.
Agni is only one, even though the
object doesn't matter. Dahati, Shabda, Dhatu goes with Karta. You have to remember this. Dhatu does not go with object. Agni hi dahati. Kim dahati? Kimapi dahati. Dahati hi. Dahanti na. Nasti. आग जल रही है. अग्नि ही ज्वलति. We can say. Everything else is quite simple. गुरु शिष्य को बुलाता है. गुरु शिष्यम आह्वयति, etc.
Okay, this one, this is 23rd one. So the word for Gana is Gai.
Gai.
So how is it?
Gayati. They are given.
But Gana Gati hai. So is that? So do we say Gai hi Gayati?
Not Gaihi. Gana would be Gana only. So
how would we say that? Balikaha. Gana.
Balikaha na. Balika. Balika is ekavachana. So it will be Ganam. She is singing a song, right? Ganam, Ganaha, Gano, Ganaha. Matlab Ganam, Gano, Tatte Tani. Ganam, Gane, Ganani. Ganam, Gane, Ganani. So Ganam. Balika, Ganam, Gayati. Okay. Ashuddha to Shuddha. Pathanasya abhilashan kuru. Pathane abhilashan kuru. They have given Saptami Bhakti instead of Shashti. Mama grihe agate, my griham agate. That we have already seen in depth today. Vane, Yudhishthire, vanam gate. So vanam does not really matter, like how they have said here, griham, kaksha, vidyalayam, whatever they will say. Saptami vibhakti is for karta and second karma. Pituhu saha putra agataha, pitra saha, tritiya vibhakti. Okay. Next, abhyasa. Do, ga ko lot, lang or vidiling. I just asked, we don't have to do mainly, just the main thing we can say. Which one is easy? Okay, we can do all difficult ones also. Jwalati. Jwalati will be in the same way as pathati. Okay. Hariji bhavan vadatu. Jwalati iti patati. What? Asti. So patati, pat dhatu, lat lakara will be lat lakara ekavachana. Pat dhatu. Prathama purusha.
Patati, patati, patataha, patanti.
Pat dhatu, lat prathama purusha, lat lakara ekavachana. Similarly, patati. Then pat dhatu, lang lakara. Prathama purusha ekavachana.
Patatu.
Lang lakara.
No, sorry. Patavat. No, patat.
Apatat.
Apatat.
Apatat, or as we saw a couple days ago, patatisma.
Patatisma, okay. Apatat or patatisma.
Patatisma. Then lot lakara.
Lot is patatu.
Patato. Then this vidhiling lakara.
Patet.
Ha, patet. And rit.
Rit is patashyati.
Patishyati. Sandhya ji bhavati vadatu. Gayati. No, Gayati is difficult. Ichhati we can do, right? Ichhati. Ha. Ichhati is like pathati. So, in like patati, prathama purusha, ekavachana, lat lakara for each dhatu would be Sandhya ji mute prayoge.
Can you repeat once?
Ha. Patati, now Hariji had said, right? Pat dhatu, all five lakaras. Like that, each dhatu. So, pat, lat lakara is what? Lat lakara of pat dhatu. Or we can do that only. Lat lakara of pat dhatu, prathama purusha ekachana is?
Ichhati.
Wonderful. Lang lakara?
Ichhvat.
Huh?
Ichhvat.
This is difficult.
Lang.
Now you can just say ichhati sma. Ichhati, it will be aichat, but you can just say aikshat is there, right? That aikshata, bahusyam prajaye, that will be that. But it will be ichhati sma, you can say. Okay, we can take a easier dhatu. This will come, all these difficult dhatus will come in 1 month or so. Let's take something easy. Like pat, we can do creed. Creed is to play. So patati, creedati. Apatat will be lang lakara. Akridat. Akridat. Or creedati sma. So, and then lot lakara will be?
Lot. Creedatu.
Vidhiling will be?
Vidhiling.
Bhavet, patet, khadet.
Creedat.
Creedet. And then rit will be?
Creediyati.
Creedishyati.
Creedishyati.
Rit is future, na? Future. Bhavishya.
In the last 2 classes, Swamiji keeps using the lung. What is
lung? Will come later.
Because he kept...
Lung is in the next book.
In the next book, because he kept mentioning
there are
lung.
10 lakaras. We are seeing 5 in this.
We are seeing 5, okay. He kept saying the lung.
One more dhatu, let's say khad. Khad.
Yeah. So khadati, then akhadat, khadatu, then khadet, And Kadishyati.
The benefit of being the third, so it is
absolutely.
easy. But of course, it is all, once we see, it is quite easy. And when we do little practice, it comes very quickly to us. So if we write, like how when people write, it comes very naturally. So we see that. Okay. इनके लट लोट लंग और विधिलिंग के रूप पूरा लिखो. We have seen प्रथमा पुरुषा एकवचना of all these 5. If interested, you can write all 9 forms. वाक्य बनाओ. हरि जी, प्रातः काले वाक्य बनाओ.
प्रातः काले भोजनं खाद्यति.
भोजनं
खादयति.
खादति.
खादति.
मतलब किम कहाँ खादति?
गृहे खादति.
गृहे खादति कहाँ?
अहम then I have said खादामि. अहम खादामि.
अहम खादामि. कहाँ खादति?
प्रातः काले कः is who?
हाँ.
प्रातः काले भोजनं खादाम्यहम्.
Okay. Kaha khadati. Astu.
I don't understand what is the question. It itself is Sanskrit for me.
Yeah, I'm trying to just speak more in Sanskrit, so that in the mind it becomes clear.
Kaha is who?
Kaha is who?
Pratah kale Ramah bhojanam khadati.
Bahu samyak. Ramah khadati pratah kale bhojanam. Grihe khadati. Khadati. Rama khadati. Saha khadati. Etc. More we speak and think in Sanskrit, when we read Bhashya and new sentences, it becomes so easy for us. Sandhya ji vadatu bhavan bhavati agayat. Kaha akadat? Kaha agayat?
Agayat.
Kaha agayat?
Which word? It is like.
This is the 6th word. वाक्य बनाओ, second line, first word. Agayat. You see, apathat kim kasmin lakara asti. Apathat.
Agayat.
Apathat iti pathati sma. Kasmin lakara asti?
Past.
हाँ.
Past.
Lang lakara. तो agayat, कहाँ agayat?
गृहे अगायत.
गृहे अगायत. अस्तु. कहाँ अगायत? कहाँ नहीं, कहाँ.
Where?
No, कहाँ is where. कुत्र अगायत, गृहे अगायत. अस्तु. Okay. कहाँ अगायत? Who? कहाँ
अगायत?
Who sang? कहाँ means, okay. See, कहाँ means who. Who sang? Anybody can sing. Ramah agayat, Ramah gayati, Ramah gayishyati, everything Ramah only. So when somebody asks kaha, it doesn't matter what the lakara is. That person only is going to sing past, present, future, the same person. So slowly I am trying to speak in Sanskrit. in Sanskrit, so we become more, samartha in this. These specific words are very useful. Kim is what? Kaha, who. Kutra, where. All these words, will come many times. Kasmin, which. Kasmin lakare asti. Which lakara is it in? So, kaha agayat? Kaha agayat, grihe kaha agayat? राम संध्या अगायत गृहे. रामः गृहे अगायत. हाँ, रामः गृहे अगायत.
Rama गृहे अगायत. Okay.
Agayat. See, agayat means sang, right? Grihe, in the house. Kaha,
okay.
Who? So who sang in the house? Rama sang in the house.
गृहे अगायत. Okay.
Rama गृहे अगायत. Okay, one more question for you. Bhavati eva. Ramah grihe agayat. Kim agayat?
Kim agayat.
Grihe. Kim.
By Rama is at home.
Kim is agayat is sang. Okay, singing, past tense, sang.
Okay.
Kim.
Song. गानः
गानं सम्यक् समीचीनं रामः गानं
गानं
गृहे
आगयत्
अगायत्
अगायत्
बहु सम्यक्. See, like this, if we can make sentences, you know, sandhi, samasa and all, it'll be so easy for us. Like how Hariji said, khadamyaham, this is a sandhi. Khadami plus aham is sandhi. That will come next week. So those things will become easier and easier for you. Bahu samyak, Sandhya ji, bahu samichinam. Sundar ji, vadatu. Gate.
Gate. So, Rame vanam gate. Ramam vane. Rame
हाँ
vanam gate.
हाँ
You have the sentence. Sita api agatah.
हाँ सम्यक्. रामे वनं गते सीता अपि आगता न गतः.
Sita api gatah.
हाँ. Rama went to the forest, Sita came. No, Sita also went.
Right.
Sita api gata.
But Bharatah agatah.
Bharata agatah.
He came.
हाँ.
He came.
Bharata agatah. It can be. Okay. So see, tomorrow Saptami Vibhakti also. With tomorrow, one main prakarana is ending. With tomorrow, we are effectively going to 12th standard Sanskrit. So if there are any questions until now is the time to address them. From Monday, we will level up, evolve into the next level. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyagratau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyaptadehaya Dakshina Namah. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om